It's the dead of winter. I have a cold, so I'm sticking close to my cabin, eating some comfort food, and building something with lumber that I sawed with my own sawmill. I'll also announce the winners to my latest contest, so stay tuned. Here we go. Oh my! You just sawdust in your hair. Sit pretty. Just noticed there's a tear in my pants. Funny stuff goes through your mind when you're working away. Why is it I'm half devastated now I got a tear in my pants because I think they're spoiled? Yet we'll go to a store and pay twice as much for a pair of jeans that are all ripped up. We're all so weird. you guys waiting for? Don't spare the butter, boys. Don't spare the butter. So these are some ptarmigan alouettes that Dwight Boyd gave me. Thanks, Dwight. And some homemade bread that Jonathan Riviere gave me. I think his missus might actually bake it, but brought it down nonetheless. Boys, somebody say it for me. Gotta pay the ptarmigan alouette tax. What a treat. What a treat. For me and the dogs. Thanks, guys. Well, guys, I was all geared up. Had my sleigh all packed to go on a big winter camping adventure. And a couple things got in the way. One, I'm on call at work. Number two, I came down with a bit of a cold. And there's no wonder, because I just came back from down south. Once a year we do this and just spoil ourselves and go down those big beaches down south. White sand and the crystal clear waters. We went to Curacao this time on a resort that's renowned for its snorkeling. And it is. I'm telling you, I used to get up from my beach chair and within 50 steps I'd be in the water and snorkeling, and I could see every type of fish that I could imagine. I didn't know half I was looking at, but they looked so beautiful. Every color of the rainbow. And then I came back home where it was 60 degrees Celsius colder. No joke. So the obvious question comes to mind. Why do you like being where you are? Why do you like living where you live? Here's the funny thing. Before I go on those trips, I'm sitting here or out on my snowmobile or in my winter tent or wherever I am. And if I get a moment in my busy mind where I clear my thoughts, I think about being down south on those beaches, you know, and swimming in those warm waters and admiring the sun and the warmth. All the goodness that surrounds you and that beautiful buffet that's endless there and being served and you feel like kings and queens, right? And I think about that before I go down there. But here's the odd thing. When I'm down on those resorts and I'm laid back on the beach and for a moment when my mind clears again, I could be laid back on that old beach chair and my mind drifts away right back here. Right back to my cabin or out in my woods road. Or out in the winter tent, or in my shed here with the dogs hanging out, just working on a project. So I think it's a pretty good life when you have the opportunity, so charmed, to be able to go on a trip like that every now and then also dream of coming back to where you live. What a wonderful thing. So grateful. Picking around my sawmill a bit, got some projects started. This is one of them. I sawed all this lumber in my sawmill. I'm just having so much fun with that. And this is the perfect little project here today. I've been hauling back logs on my groomer, actually. Not ideal. Keeps hooking into trees, those sharp grates on the corners and stuff. But it's gotten me through. Hauled back a few of my old Pelican sled. That's not ideal either. This is more of a trial sleigh. I'm going to build it. I've seen other people using models like this. I'm just kind of adapting to my own use here. It's not going to be perfect. There's going to be lots of flaws. I don't even have all the parts to make it good, you know? But at the end of the day, I'm going to have a sleigh that I can pull behind my skidoo, and it's going to help me bring some logs back, where I can enjoy more sawmill projects just like this. Is there any love here? Can someone express some love to me, please? Yes, I'm in need of some love. So I was thinking last night about putting maybe a cross brace in between one of these spaces. I'm not quite sure I'll put it there or there, just to kind of give it strength in case the sled wants to twist like that. And normally that would mean a trip to town. Not when you have a sawmill. I'll take this extra piece of 4x4 I got here and narrow it down by 1 inch. It's -20. See how she performs at that temperature. I haven't got that changed around yet, guys, but I will. I wouldn't even bother with that 4x4 I got in there. I'll just cut a new one out of one of these logs here. Look at that now, boys. Ain't that beautiful? That's exciting to me. These are the best tea buns I think I've ever eaten. Dina Pinkson made them for us. They are mouth-watering. But I limit myself to one at a time. Thanks, Dina. This is not the ideal toe edge situation, but it'll have to do for now until I get another one. And there we go. Oh boy, I can't wait to give that a try. Stay tuned for a video coming soon. Well, that was a wonderful project. Great way to spend a couple days with a bit of a chest cold. Oh, right. I gotta announce the contest winners, don't I? So you guys entered from various countries. I got a full bowl full of names here. I'm gonna pick out 2 lucky winners now for those cash prizes. I have your information. I will be in touch with the two names that I draw here. So it's kind of an automatic thing for you. You don't have to reach out to me. I will reach out to you. All right, name number one. Try to pick out one name at a time here. Michelle McIntosh from Antigonish, Nova Scotia. I hunt in Antigonish. Wow. Well, congratulations to you, Michelle. Name number two up next. Mike Coulimere. Sorry, Mike, if I never pronounced it right. But Mike is from Woodland Park, Colorado. So again, congratulations to you, Mike. Congratulations to everybody who entered the contest. Thanks for doing that. It was in my merch shop. You guys give to me, I put it into the channel, and I give back to you. So as soon as my lungs clear up here, I'm going to head out into my winter tent again. I got a nice adventure planned there. Stay tuned to that video, and until the next video, take care of each other, get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. And we'll see you next time. Guaranteed.
We'll see you next time. Guaranteed.
Get outside.